Hey, if you've ever wanted to make money with crypto, but didn't know how to code, didn't trust complicated bots, or just felt overwhelmed, this video is going to open your eyes. Because today, I'm going to show you how to create a profitable AI crypto trading agent without writing a single line of code. And yes, this is using a tool called InstantlyClaw. Now, before you roll your eyes and think another hype tool, stick with me. I'm going to break this down in a simple, practical way so you actually understand how to use it and how to turn it into something that can make you money. Step 1. Understand what you're actually building. First, let's get clear. You're not just building a trading bot. What you're building is an AI agent system that can research crypto markets, analyze trends, generate trade ideas, track signals, and even automate reporting. Think of it like hiring a mini research team, but powered by AI. That's where InstantlyClaw comes in. It gives you a pre-built multi-agent system so you don't have to set anything up yourself. Step 2. Deploy your AI system. No coding. Inside InstantlyClaw, everything starts with one click. You log in, hit deploy, and within about a minute, your AI system is live. No coding, no servers, no API setup. You now have a team of AI agents ready to work. Each agent has a role: research, analysis, content, reporting, and they work together automatically. Step 3. Give your AI a trading task. Now here's where it gets powerful. Instead of configuring complicated strategies, you simply give your AI a plain English command. For example, analyze the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Identify short-term trading opportunities based on recent news, price momentum, and market sentiment. Create a daily trading report. That's it. Your AI will browse live crypto data, pull news and sentiment, analyze patterns, generate trade ideas, and deliver a structured report you can actually use. Step 4. Turn it into a profit system. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about: making money. There are 3 smart ways to monetize this. 1. Personal trading assistant. Use the AI insights to guide your own trades. You're making more informed decisions instead of guessing. 2. Sell signal reports. Package the AI's output into Telegram channels, Discord groups, or paid newsletters. People already pay monthly for crypto signals. 3. Offer it as a service. You can create AI-powered crypto research reports, daily market insights, or portfolio analysis services, and charge clients monthly. Step 5. Automate everything. This is the game changer. Now here's where most people miss the opportunity. With InstantlyClaw, you can schedule tasks on autopilot. For example, daily market analysis every morning, weekly portfolio reviews, real-time alerts based on conditions. Your AI runs in the background even while you sleep. So instead of working for results, you're building a system that works for you. Now, let me be real with you for a second. This is not a guaranteed profit machine or a set-it-and-forget-it-forever system. Crypto is risky. AI can help you make smarter decisions, but you still need basic understanding, risk management, and common sense. If you treat this like a tool, not magic, that's where the real advantage is. Right now, most people are still manually researching, copying signals, or guessing trades, but the shift is happening towards AI-powered decision systems, and the people who learn how to use these tools early are the ones who get ahead. So if you've been looking for a way to get into crypto, use AI in a practical way, or build a new income stream, this is one of the simplest entry points right now. No coding, no complex setup, just strategy and execution. All right, that's it from me today. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know in the comments if you want a step-by-step tutorial on setting this up. I'll see you in the next one.